He's only handpicked there by the administration because he's an attack dog. That's it. Nothing more than that. 3 ranks yung inakyatan niya.
Okay, I just respect his decision and I respect his opinion. And rewind lang ng konti sa termino naman ng tatay niya kung sino unang chief PNP. Okay?
Nagkakataon na akong pinili ni Presidente.
So, ano rango ng unang chief PNP?
Ang galing! Ang galing!
At anong rango ko bago ako naging chief PNP?
Tinalunan niya 3 ranks.
Gago!
3 ranks yung inakyatan niya.
It really goes back to him, really. Seriously speaking, it goes back to him. Okay? The first chief PNP of his father is a 1-star na naging automatic 4-star. Did he ask that? Did he question that?
Kasi
Drug lords. Ano kayo, siniswerte?